Most Revit training teaches you the buttons. You finish able to follow a tutorial and still unable to start a real building. This course builds one structure from the ground up. Board piles, a blinding layer, foundations and pedestals, steel columns, trusses, a roof, walls, beams, and a sectional door. Before you model any of them, you learn why they exist, what a blinding layer is actually for, why a pedestal sits between the pile cap and the column, what a truss is carrying. Because a modeler who does not know what an element does will model it wrong and never find out. And you build almost all of it yourself in the family editor. Not downloaded content, your own parametric piles, pedestal, column truss, beam, and profile families, taken from LOD 200 to LOD 300. 43 lessons, one building. You finish able to model a structure in Revit and to defend every element in it. Revit Structure 2027 on archgyan.com.